Hey guys, so we're back with solving logarithmic equations. Now this one's going to be a little different, and here's why. We have natural log of an x plus 8 plus a natural log of an x will equal a 3. Just 3. There's no natural log, it's just a 3. So we're going to start the problem out kind of like what we did last time. I want to condense my logarithms into a single expression. And think about this as natural log of an x squared plus 8x will equal 3. So there's a couple ways you can think about this problem. You know the base, you know the exponent, but you don't really know what the value is. So you could choose to rewrite this in exponential form, which means you would have e to the third would equal an x squared plus an 8x, meaning that you have 0 equals x squared plus 8x minus e cubed. And that's not very nice. Or we could access some inverse operations and choose to raise both of these treat both of these as our exponents, because again, the logarithms equal exponents. So if I do it this way, it's e to this power will equal e to that power. Well, the e and the natural log are inverses, so they just cancel each other out. So I'm left with x squared plus 8x, and that will equal e to the third. So either way I did it, I would have ended up with an x squared plus 8x minus e cubed equals 0. Now, if you notice, I'm leaving this in terms of e cubed. I don't want to expand that and figure out what decimal representation I would get because that's going to be a little messy. So the way I see it now is we have this problem which is a quadratic. We're trying to solve the quadratic. You can try factoring, but good luck. So I would instead choose to just jump into the quadratic formula at this point because I can't really factor something with an e cubed. So x would have to equal opposite b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I get x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 plus 4e cubed, and that's divided by 2. So we can't really square root the discriminant, aka this part underneath the radical sign, because it's not going to be a nice number, this right here. So if I was asking you for an answer, this could be considered an answer. However, you could also just go ahead and plug this into Desmos and see what it gives you. So because I don't have that up and I don't have that answer with me, I just need to figure out what the two answers could be. X could equal negative 8 plus the square root of a 64 plus 4e cubed over a 2, or x could equal the negative 8 minus the square root of 64 plus 4e cubed over 2. You just want to make sure you understand when you have this, take your answers, plug it in, and see which one would be extraneous. But I'm going to end the video by telling you which one's going to be extraneous. It's this one. Prove it.